Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add patterns to your hair and Dress to Impress. So unfortunately it only works for the afro hairstyle. I'm just going to go to the salon and grab the afro hairstyle, and here, as you can see, you can add any basically patterns you want on the afro. This is unfortunately the only hair that can use patterns. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. That's the only hair that you can use pattern, but it's fine. I mean, it is still cute for like a disco theme or something like that. What pattern did I just use? Oh, this one. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.